Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Cash App account. Alright, let's get it started. So the first step is to download the Cash App application from your Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. Alright, so once you open the Cash App, on the right hand side you can see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon and over here you can see my account is not logged in. So here you have the option to log in. Click over here and here you have the option to create new account. So click on this create new account and here you can see you have different information that you have to fill in. So first enter your nickname and here enter your email. So next is the password field. So enter the password as well that you want to set. Make sure the password is strong. And let's enter the password once again. So once you do that, what you have to do is just click on create account and your Cash App account will be created. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.